Pating Reviews presents Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. The best part of the Kingslim D4 dash camera is that if you click on the link in the video description below right now, you can save an additional $20 off your purchase. All you need to do is check out the link in the description below of this video. You can get $20 off your purchase. All you need to do is click the coupon and check out and get the savings today. I've been looking for a 4K dash cam, so when I saw this on Amazon, I bought it and installed it right away. The features: 4K front camera at 25 frames per second or 2.5K at 30 frames per second. Weatherproof rear camera is 1080p at 25 frames per second. Video has a wide dynamic range. Highlights aren't blown out like other dash cams I've owned. It supports up to 256GB memory card. Other features worth mentioning: loop recording, emergency recording, park monitor, built-in GPS. You can see speed and stat on the video, and you can also track your drive on a map. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi in case you want to download the videos through Wi-Fi. Mounting the dash cam is different from other dash cams I've used. This did not use suction cup. Instead, it came with double-sided adhesive tape. You can either mount it directly to the windshield, which is more permanent, or you can attach a clear plastic sticker to the windshield and mount the dash cam to the static sticker. I did this, and when I realized I wanted to move the dash cam to a different location, I was able to peel it off the windshield and attach it somewhere else with no issue. Overall, I'm very happy with the Kingslim Dual Dash Cam D4. Small, not obtrusive, easy to install, clear and highly detailed video at 4K resolution. Menus and features and options are easy to access. Here is a bit more information about this dash cam. It's a UHD 4K 1080p and QHD 2.5K plus 1080p. Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam can simultaneously record videos in front at 4K and rear at 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. Ultra HD 4K resolution also can providing high definition footage for self-driving travel enthusiasts. You can switch to the front view in QHD 2.5K and the rear view in full HD 1080p. For daily video recording, capture QHD details to help restore the truth. Kingslim Dual Dash Cam adopts the industry-leading Sony IMX335 STARVIS sensor and Hisilicon Hi3559 processor. With super night vision and WDR technology, you can record stunning details even in low-light environments. With front 170-degree and rear 150-degree super wide viewing angles and 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, it gives you maximum coverage on the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp and clear images and videos. Easy operation at your fingertips without fiddly buttons. IPS makes for bright and higher contrast images. Use one finger control more Kingslim car dash camera features such as parking monitor, G-sensor, collision detection, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, and time-lapse video recording. With real-time location showing the driving route and driving speed, manage the driving route on your iOS and Android devices via the app. Front and rear camera for cars and Wi-Fi allows you to download your recorded car camera videos directly to your smartphone and share on social media. Supports an up to 256 gigabit card, which is not included, enough to record 4K videos so you never lose any crucial evidence. It is a front and rear car dash cam that can record even when the car is off. That means 24-hour protection. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.